need to prioritize the starboard rust patches first. What about the keel blocks underneath? Are they secure?
We're seeing heavy salt deposits and significant mineral buildup in this section.
Confirmed. That explains the flow rate reduction.
We need to schedule immediate maintenance.
Aligning now. Got the flange tight. Looks solid, Cap. Passes inspection.
Bring it down another 5 centimeters, slowly now. Stable on the starboard side.
All right, keep it coming.
I'm trying, it's tight up here.
Setting is good. Hitting the mark now.
Confirmed. All green on this panel.
Hold it steady, watch the cables.
Just a few more inches to go.
Looks good, let her settle.
We have full power to the main screen now.
All right, run the diagnostics and verify the sonar input.
How's that measurement by the hatch? Looks good. We'll have to trim the next one for the curve.
Maximum pressure achieved, holding steady.
Confirmed. Adjusting bleed valve. Initiating sequence now. Pressure holding steady. All green on my end. Systems fully online.
Keep it steady. Needs to clear the deck plating. Almost there. Looks good now. Let's secure it.
Okay, easy now. Watch the frame.
Almost there. Push hard on your end.
Got it. Looks good.
Acoustic signature is stable on the right bank, sir. Reading confirms the contact.
Good. Lock it in. The resolution on this terrain map is incredible.
Gyro alignment sequence initiated. Check magnetic deviation.
Deviation nominal, Cap. All systems green.
Very good. Finalize the inertial lock.
All right, give it another quarter turn. Looks good. Get the impact driver on that clamp. Confirmed.
Attention all hands, this is a test of the forward announcing system.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is only a test.
All right, connect the intake line now.
Torque wrench ready. Hitting the specified pressure now.
Tray engaging. Torpedo seated.
Confirmed. Systems check nominal.
Alignment secure, closing the breach.
Go ahead, activate the sequence.
Sequence activated. Reactor stable.
Current flow is steady at 40 amps.
The whole potential is exactly where it needs to be.
Maintain flow rate at maximum capacity. We are clear on the secondary loop.
That tapping sound indicates a void beneath the tile. Mark it down, Johnson.
Right away, sir. Area 4-2.
All systems green, Captain. Sonar active.
Very good. Maintain present depth.
The distribution is completely uniform.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Crew, board the Nautilus. Let's get underway.
Contact bearing 045, Sierra 1, possibly a merchant vessel. Continue the 360 scan.
Feet and closing. Bring the bow line over when ready. Well done, Helm. Secure the engines.